Before your operating system even loads, before you see a single icon on your screen, one small chip is already waking up your entire computer. It's called the BIOS, and without it, your device wouldn't even know how to turn on properly. Let's break down exactly what it does. BIOS stands for Basic Input-Output System. It's firmware stored on a chip on your motherboard, and its job is to initialize and test your hardware the instant you press power before your operating system takes over. It's stored on ROM, which means it stays put even when your computer is completely powered off. BIOS has 4 core jobs. First, POST, or Power On Self-Test, a quick diagnostic that checks your RAM, keyboard, and storage before moving forward. If something's wrong, you'll hear beeps or see an error code. Second, hardware initialization. BIOS wakes up and configures essential components so they're ready to use. Third, the bootstrap loader BIOS searches your storage to locate the operating system, then hands off control so it can load into RAM. Fourth, BIOS setup. Access that blue or gray menu you access by pressing F2 or Delete at startup, where you can adjust boot order, system clock, and other low-level settings. Most modern computers actually use UEFI now, a faster, more secure replacement for traditional BIOS, with a graphical interface, mouse support, and features like secure boot to block malware before the OS even starts. People still just call it BIOS out of habit. Here's how it all connects. You press power, BIOS wakes up from ROM and runs POST. It initializes your hardware. The bootstrap loader locates your operating system on storage. BIOS loads that OS into RAM, and finally, it hands off control completely, letting the OS take over. So, to sum it up, BIOS is the firmware that wakes up your computer, checks your hardware, and hands things off to your operating system. It's stored on ROM, it's been largely replaced by UEFI, and without it, nothing else in your computer would even get the chance to start. If this helped you understand what BIOS actually does, hit like, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let me know what you want explained next.